My dear friends, my dear students, today we are going to discuss very easiest problem from operations research, particularly game theory. So before we are going to proceed the problem, kindly give the like symbol and subscribe this video and share it with your friends. Let us take an example. Solve the game. Player B and player A we are given 4 by 4 matrix we are given, isn't it? Okay, let us find the solution. So row wise I'm going to select minimum, column wise I'm going to take maximum value. So from the first row the minimum 2, from the second row minimum is -1, from the third row minimum is 2, from the fourth row minimum is 2. Column wise the maximum is 6, second column 3, third column 6 and fourth column 12. Now I'm going to apply maximini. It means, so minimum in the right hand side. So from the minimum I can select the maximum, that is 2. So see the column wise there is a maximum values. So from the maximum I'm going to select the minimum, that is 3. So maximini is not equal to minimax. What does it mean? There is no saddle point. Okay. Now I'm going to proceed. Okay. Apply the dominance method. So see, if you want to find the solution of the game, we need 2 by 2 matrix. It means 2 rows and 2 columns. But we are given 4 rows and 4 columns. We cannot find the solution. So without saddle point, we are going to apply dominance method. It means row wise I am going to select the maximum column and eliminate that column. Row wise I am going to select the least column. I am going to omit that column. Column wise I am going to select maximum values column. I am going to select that particular column, isn't it? First start with column wise. So listen, B4 and B1. B4 is the maximum value, so that B4 omitted. Now the resultant matrix B1, B2, B3, A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, B4 dominates B1. It means in B4 all the values are greater than B1, isn't it? Okay, now select the next process. B3 is dominated B2. It means B3 values are greater than B2, so that B3 has omitted. Now the column becomes 2. I think B1, B2 only, but the row side there is no change. Now go to the process in or from row wise. Least values, which are the rows has, or which are the rows have least values. A2 is dominated A1. It means A2 is a less value than A1, so that A2 has omitted. So rows are reduced. So A1, A2, A3, A4. But the columns are keep as it is, B1, B2. Okay, now do the process until we get 2 by 2, isn't it? Okay, now go to the next one. So this is A4 is I think is dominated A1, so that A4 has omitted. So I have the resultant matrix B1, B2, A1, A3. There are 4 values only. These are the required 2 by 2 matrix. So A116, A122, A212 and A22, 3. Using this value, I am going to have the result, isn't it? Okay, now see V is the formula. A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 plus A12. Using the value, I got V is equal to 14 by 5. This is the result of the matrix. And also I have to calculate the strategies, so that I have used this formula. P1, for P1, A22 minus A21 divide by A11 plus A22 minus A21 plus A12. So the P1 is 1 by 5. So from that P3 is equal to 4 by 5. Similarly, Q1 is equal to A22 minus A12 by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Substitute, I will get Q1 is equal to 1 by 5. Similarly, Q2 is equal to 4 by 5. Now find the strategies for A11, A1, A2, A3, A4. Respective strategies are P1, P2, P3 and P4. So now we have the result. Now we have the result is strategy is here. Yes, A, that is A1 1 by 5, A2 0, there is no value. A3 4 by 5, similarly A4 is 0. This is a strategy for A. Similarly, find B, B1, B2, B3, B4, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So B1 1 by 5, B2 4 by 5, B3, B4s are 0. So these are the strategy. Thank you, my dear friends.